This is Gary Geiman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
So you've worked on your brand, you're getting your brand built, you're getting your brand to show up online. Now the next thing you need to focus on are the keywords. And sometimes the keywords are just very simple to get, but you need to think about what people are going to search around your services, right? So you're in a home service business, you provide services, those services are keywords, but think about what someone's going to search. Like, they're going to search your service plus near me. They're going to search who is the best company. How can I get a quote for? Those are the types of keywords, along with your primary keywords, those services. Those are the things that you need to potentially put content out about and on your website and in your blogs. A lot of people skip this step, and this step is very, very important. You start with your brand like we talked about in step one, and then in step two, you go to your keywords. And if you're trying to rank for only 10 or 15 keywords, you're missing out on traffic. A lot of times, most services are going to have 20, 25, 30, 50, sometimes 100 keywords, depending upon the size of your market and the services that you provide, that you should be attempting to rank for. And not doing adequate keyword research is going to keep you from ranking for those. I recommend using some tools. The free tools, Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Just go in and type in Google Ads Keyword Planner in Google search, and that'll pop up, and that will give you a plethora of keyword ideas. The next free tool that you can use is Ubersuggest. You can use Ubersuggest to put a website in and to find out what keywords they're ranking for, or post a primary service keyword and see what other keywords are available in terms of long tail. There's also paid options, but if you're just starting out and you're trying to figure out what you need to do, use those free options first. Get enough keywords with those free things and start building content on your website and on your blog so you can begin to rank for those keywords that you found for your services.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.